Yasin, where are you, my little boy?
I'm here, Mama.
There you are. What are you playing with?
My yellow ducky. Quack, quack.
Ducky looks ready for an adventure.
Where does the duck go on an adventure?
Are you ready for your bath? Let's go and get clean.
Yes, let's go!
Let's get ready for the bath.
Little Yasin has a yellow toy duck. Let's go to the bath, it's time for some luck. He hops in the water, the bubbles go pop. He splashes and giggles, he just cannot stop. Wash, wash, wash with a happy smile. Say alhamdulillah all the while. Tummy, toes and nose so clean. The happiest baby you've ever seen. He washes his elbows, he washes his knees. He catches the bubbles floating on the breeze. He looks at the soap and he says with a grin, Bismillah first,
Bismillah,
let the
sweetie.
washing begin.
Bismillah.
The happy smile, say alhamdulillah all the while. Tummy, toes and nose so clean. The happiest baby you've ever seen.
Wow, look at the duck, Yasin.
The water is warm and the towel is soft. He holds his clean hands up high and aloft. Allahu Akbar, he whispers so low, thanking his maker for helping him grow. Dry as a toast in his pajamas so bright, he kisses his parents and says good night.
Hey friends! Want more fun songs with me and Ducky? Ask your parents to subscribe to Kiddie Music Official. Bye-bye! Assalamu alaikum! Time to wake! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to wake! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Time to wake! Washroom time! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Washroom time! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Washroom time! Wash your hands! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Wash your hands! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Wash them clean! Say Bismillah! Do-do-do-do-do. Say Bismillah! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Bismillah! Grab your brush! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Grab your brush! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Grab your brush! Squeeze the paste! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Squeeze the paste! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Squeeze the paste! Brush up and down! Do-do-do-do-do. Brush up and down! Do-do-do-do-do. Up and down! Left and right! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Left and right! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Washed and right! Rinse it out! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Rinse it out! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Rinse it out! Wipe your face! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Wipe your face! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Soft and dry! All clean teeth! Do-do-do-do-do-do. All clean teeth! Do-do-do-do-do-do. Sparkle bright! Ding!
Children, these mangoes are for after lunch. Please don't eat them yet.
Okay, Mama.
Yasin,
Yes, my Mama?
looking at mangoes?
Yes, Mama?
Thinking about mangoes?
Yes, Mama?
Waiting for lunch?
Maybe, Mama. Wow, those mangoes look so yummy. Maybe just one tiny bite. Delicious. Yasin, are you eating the mangoes? Mama said to wait until lunch.
Yasin, Yasin,
Yes, Mama.
eating mangoes?
No, Mama.
Yellow cheeks?
No, Mama.
Open your hands.
Uh-oh.
Omar, Omar,
Yes, Mama.
did Yasin eat mangoes?
Maybe, Mama.
Aisha, Aisha,
Yes, Mama.
did you see Yasin
Yes, Mama.
near the basket?
Yes, Mama.
Yasin, Yasin,
Yes, Mama.
did you eat them?
Yes, Mama.
Telling the truth?
Yes, Mama.
Feeling sorry?
Yes, Mama.
MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you for telling the truth, Yasin. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is being honest.
I'm sorry, Mama. Next time I will wait.
That's a good boy.
Here are some mangoes. Wow, thank you.
Yasin,
Yes, Mama.
will you share?
Yes.
Will you share?
Yes.
With Omar?
Yes, Mama.
With Aisha?
Yes, Mama.
Good job, Yasin.
Yay, Mama. Friends, always tell the truth, even when you make a mistake. It makes Allah happy. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiddie Music Family. Bye-bye.
It is almost ready.
Mama is cooking something delicious. Wow! Can I eat now? Stop! Something important is missing. Missing? What is it? Remember to wait.
Yummy food is on my plate. First I stop and first I wait. Hands are clean, I'm ready to. Now I say my dua true.
To find the missing thing, you must solve 3 clues. I'm ready. The special word starts with B. Is it banana? No! Is it burger? No! No! Can you help, Yasin? Everyone shout the special word. Bismillah!
Bismillah, thank you Allah.
Wow.
Alhamdulillah.
The magic word was Bismillah.
Thank you Allah. Alhamdulillah.
Bismillah.
Full bread and milk so sweet. Allah gave us food to eat.
Alhamdulillah.
And every night, Allah's blessings are so bright.
Thank you, Allah.
Let's begin. Happy smiles and grateful hearts with Bismillah. Let's
What do we say
begin.
before eating?
Happy smiles and grateful.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Before we eat, before we chew, we say our dua, me and you. Bismillah, Bismillah. Now it's time to eat our food.
Can you say Bismillah before your next meal? If yes, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun Islamic adventures. Bye, friends. Assalamu alaikum.